Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to check if your CPU supports AVX using the most reliable method. Open up Chrome and search CPU ESET download. Check the official site and scroll down. Select the setup English. Close this ad and select download now option. After the download done, click on it and install it guys. Select the yes option and select accept and select next. Select next, select next, select next, select install and select finish option. Now open the application in the desktop shortcut. Go to the CPU tab. Now look for the section called instructions. Here you will see list of supported CPU features. If you see AVX, that means your CPU supports AVX. If you see AVX2, your CPU supports AVX2, and if you see AVX512, that means your processor supports the rare high-end AVX512 instruction set. If AVX does not appear in this list, your CPU does not support AVX, and that's it. You are successfully checked AVX support on your system. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.